I'm going to continue here, and this is where we're going to be creating, doing a lot of things. How you get to me? I've explained all of this before, so the whole essence of this class is to create a store. Here is where we have our posts, our blogs, and other things. Alright, so I'm going to remove this because we're going to be creating another one later. Here we're going to have our media, our pictures and others. Here we're going to create, pages. Alright, so we're going to have that there. Comments, our comment is going to reside in the comments area. We have theme, okay, which has to do with the appearance of the website. Are you getting me now? So we're going to be installing a theme that will be able to handle that very well for us. Alright, so any theme you are not using, just get rid of them. Is that okay? And then next we move to plugin, and in the plugin is where we have various functionalities. Alright, so we are not using any of this. We're going to do what? Delete them. Alright, and then we move to settings, and in the settings we can write our what's it called, our store title here. Alright, so we can say best choice store. Alright, and then here we can say best of its kinds. Alright, and then here we can put our logo here. Alright, so there are various ways you can create logos. Are you getting me now? One of the way is to create a Canva account. So you can go to Canva. So here you can go for Canva. Just go to canva.com. Are you getting me? Create account with them, and then you can easily create logo there. Are you getting me? And a lot of graphics that we're going to be using in this very project, we are going to be creating them from here. Are you getting me now? Please take note of all of these things, very important. So we can create logo. You can see a lot of logos that we have. Are you getting me? But I need a store logo. I'll just create a simple one, store logo. Alright, so just create something very simple. Alright, so these are store logos. Are you getting me now? So I'm going to pick one of these. Is that okay? So let me just pick this. Let me say I'm going to be using this. Alright, so we're going to create this. So we have the what? Best choice. Okay, online store. Is that okay? So we're going to be getting this in there. So I'm going to export this. Alright, some are going to be like this, some are like this. The reason being that we're going to be using all of these things for one thing or the other. Are you getting me now? So I'm going to also make sure that I select all of this and make it a bit bigger. Make it a bit bigger. Make it a bit bigger like this. Alright, so we have that there. Alright, also up here I'm going to do the same thing here. You can see that. Make it a bit bigger. Make it a bit bigger. So if you want a graphic designer to create this for you, they will charge you, but you can easily do this here. Exactly. So here you can go for what? To download it. So I'm going to go for PNG here. Are you getting me now? So I'm going to just transparent background. I'm going to download this. So the moment I download this, I will have it in my file here. I will have it in my file there, and I can quickly do what? Put it in. So let's go and upload that. Let's add it to our not here. Let's go and add it to our media. Alright, so I'm going to add what? Media files. and I'm going to find it in my what's it called here, right, in my download. I guess it should be fully downloaded by now. Alright, this is it here. This is it here. I'm going to just extract this here, and then I have it here. Alright, so having gotten it here, I'm going to, if I open this, okay, I can also select one more, get it in there. So this is it here. Here I hope this not have a background there. So let's open this and see how it looks. Yeah, so this is what we expect. Alright, this is what we expect. Then here too, let me see this. Alright, this is what we also expect here. Alright, so let's move on. So we have this, and then we can move on to the next thing here. Alright, so come up here and continue. So for our site icon, we're going to be going for any of these. Now another thing you need to know is that there is a size that it may be able to accept. So if it's beyond that or below that, you might have issue with it. So let's quickly resize this. I'm going to resize to 512 here, 512 here. Alright, and it's going to be in pixels. 512, 512. So we have this, and then we are good to go here. So next is that we're going to save this. We're going to save this. So we can call it site logo or icon. So I'm going to drop it there. No problem. Go ahead and do what? Pick it there. Pick it there. This is it here. And then go ahead. Then we are good to go. So you have successfully created a logo for your website. Is that okay? So we have this, and we can change this one to best choice what? Online store. And then here, shopping made easy. I hope this is speaking sharp. So I have this, and we can go ahead and save the changes, right? And then we come over here to the permalinks, and then make sure you set it to what? To post name. As soon as you've done that, do what? Make, save the changes. Alright, so we're good to go with that. Then it is time to begin to set up. So if we visit our site right now, we're going to have it, this way. Are you getting me now? So we're going to be working on this, and then we're going to change the appearance and several other things. So first thing we need to do is to install a theme. Are you getting me right now? The theme we have here is 2024. Are you getting me? So we're going to install another theme here, and we have several of them. We have some that are free, some are premium, but for this very class we're going to use a free theme. Exactly. Probably in our next class we'll begin to use premium themes, and you see how it goes. And by then I'm going to give you premium themes that you can use and create amazing stores. Alright, so let's go for this Ocean. We have Ocean WP here, which is very good for the store setting up. We also have Astra here, right? Astra 2 is very good for online store. Are you getting me? So we can go for any of them. So okay, let's go for Astra. I think the last class we went for this, right? So I went for the Ocean WP. So today let's go for Astra and let's see what we have there. Exactly. So I'm going to install this. I'm going to install this. and you just give it some seconds, and then it gets up there. So now it's activated, it's installed. Let's activate it now. All right. So we have it in there. All right. And then the next thing is that I'm going to uninstall, the previous one. All right. I'm going to do what? To remove it completely. So we are left with just Astra. Are you getting me now? So we have this here, and then so let's get started with starter templates. We're going to use that as well, but we just have to set up some things. You said, and he's saying that, or do you want to build the website from scratch? Either of the two, you are good to go. Is that clear? So, and then I'm going to auto update this. All right. So next is that, having done that, if I go to my website right now and I refresh, I'm going to see that the appearance is going to be changed. Can you see that? It's changed. So I'm going to begin to add some stuffs up there right now. So the first thing is that I'm going to install some functionalities. Here the first one, we're going to begin to add plugins right now. I need this, right, which is our what's it called, classic editor. I need this. All right. Also I need all right, I also need another thing that is called contact form, so that we can communicate with our visitors. We can get feedbacks. All right, so let's add this in. This is it here. So I'm going to install this. All right, I have this. Let me also activate it along. Also, I'm going to install another one. Alright, so there is one that someone asked me, I think already asked me for this yesterday. There is a tax stores. Okay, social media share button. I think this. Alright, I think this. I think this is it, yeah. Hold on. So let me check. I think it's this, yeah. So we have this. Let's have this in there. Also, we want an SEO, SEO plugin as well. So we should be getting installed. So next we need another one, that is we need an SEO stuff here. So we're going to be add a new one, add new plugin up there, and then let's search for use SEO. Okay.
Are we going to be able to see it online, like after doing that SEO, like right now?
Yeah, it's just for us to be able, our page for it to be ranked online. Are you getting me? So for SEO stands for search engine optimization. So in order to optimize our pages, we need this. Are you getting me? And then we put in keywords and other things. Is that okay? So we can install this. And we can see it has over 10 million active installation, so which shows that it's doing well. Alright, So we can get this in. All right, so let's activate this right now. Let's activate this. Also, we need pop-ups. All right, probably as somebody is scrolling or want a kind of mode that I will come in, say 20% is what waiting you to do this right now, or a kind of get our ebook for free, fill this form right now. So it's a way of generating emails. Are you getting me? For marketing purpose and other things. Don't forget, the moment you are starting online business, you are expected to be able to reach out to people. Are you getting me? And one of them, the ways to reach out is via email. Are you getting me? So how do you get? Nobody will give you their emails for free. So you have to give out something sometimes. And the moment people see that, it's a great value. So next we can activate this. All right, the next thing now, we need one more or two. So I'm going to add a new one. And we're going to add new. Right, so let's add new here. Let's add new. So why is still this long? Okay, so I'm going to add another one here, and it's called Osu. So we're going to be using this for our pop-ups and other things. So it's for email marketing and lead generation and all of those stuffs. So I'm going to install this. This is it here by WPMU dev. So we can get that in. Alright, so let's install this. So now that it is installed, let's activate it. So we get this in. Alright, so we're done with that. Let's install another one. We call this one WP or MailChimp. We're going to be using this for collection of newsletter stuffs. So we are going for this MC4WP MailChimp for WordPress. We're going for this. So let's install this. You can see how we are trying to prepare the, let's activate this. So now that is installed, let's go and add one more. We need two more. So we had our page builder, which is what? Elementor. So I'm going to enter this. Another thing you need to know is that any other ones that you are having essential add-on for Elementor header and footer, all of them, what it means is that they rely on Elementor website builder in order to perform. Are you getting me now? They use the environment to perform. So without that, they are not going to be, compatible to work with. Are you getting me now? So I can come up here and add, those two. Right? So let's just quickly do that. So I can come up here and let's search for it. So let me search for it. So we have this active already, and we want to get this in. I want to also get this in. So after this, we have one more to install. So let's activate this. So proceed, or you skip this for now. Alright, next. Skip this for now. Can always go back to that. Right, finish. That's for essential add-ons. Alright, we don't need any of these because they are premium. So we are still small boys. Let's go for the free ones. So we are good to go here. Next is that we go for our plugins again. Alright, go for that. Then the premium add-ons, I don't know if it was okay, this is it here. So let's activate that too. Alright, so we have that in. Next, we want to add, they want to manage our store. Are you getting me now? And that is what is called WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a store managed, WooCommerce, yeah. So WooCommerce is a store management plugin that enables us to add store to our website. Are you getting me? And then we can also manage the online store, meaning that somebody can log in and buy from your website, and then you receive the payment into your bank account. Alright, so that's what we want to do here right now. So while that one is coming up, we're going to need a payment gateway. I get in to handle our payments. So here we're going to search for, there are various ones that we have here. We have Flutterwave, we have Paystack. I get me now. So for me, I prefer using Paystack. You can use Flutterwave too. So you can open a what's it called, Flutterwave account. You can open a Paystack. It's Paystack here. So you can come up here and do what? Open an account, with them. Are you getting me now? And then you can create a free account. Alright, create a free account, and then from there you can use it. Are you getting me now? But as for me, I have an account with them already, so I'm going to be making use of that account for this very project. Is that okay? So just go ahead and create an account with them, verify the account. They're going to ask you for certain information, provide it, and then you'll be good to go. Exactly. So let's install WooCommerce here. So we activate this now. So let's give it some seconds. So we activate this now. So let's give it some seconds to come up. So one of the reasons why this is may take a bit of time is that it's bringing in shops, it's bringing in our checkout page, it's bringing in so many things. Are you getting me now? So it might take some seconds or minutes. It's more or less like we are setting up our shop inside this website. Are you getting me now? So any website can be turned to a store. Hello, it's okay. Oh yeah, shut down, close. Thank you very much. You have tried. Oh, would you even enter our video? Let's go. Thank you so much. You have? Well done. Alright, so right now we have successfully brought in our store, and you can see here that we have orders, meaning that people can place order, we can manage our customers, we can release coupons codes. Are you getting me now? We can see reports, settings, status, and several other extensions. Are you getting me now? And these are some of the things that we can bring in. And if you come to the pages right now, you will see that some pages are already in, automatically by WooCommerce. I'm going to bring it up here, and you can see we have cards, we have checkout, we have my account page, we have refund and return policy, which is still draft, we have shop page. Are you getting me now? And if I open this to view on a new tab, my shop, you will see that we have it like this. Are you getting me right now? So this is how we can bring in this. All right, but for now I'm going to uninstall this plugin from social media stuff. Probably later we'll bring it up. Are you getting me? So that it doesn't get us confused. Okay, so let me just do something, deactivate this right now. Go for maintenance, checking minutes and all of those things. Don't mind it. This. So we are there right now. So I'm going to, if I refresh here, let's see what we have. You can see these are some of the things that plugins can cause. You understand? So sometimes you have to be very careful, right?
So I thought that it wasn't really working. Now mistakenly deactivate it. If you activate it, you'll be able to come back.
It will come back. So even this one that I'm trying to battle with, let me just come here right now and get rid of it straight. So come here. It's store, right? And here you see that all our plugins, they will be here. Can you see all of them? So this one that I'm having issue with, all I just have to do is to do what? Delete it. Alright, delete it. So the moment I delete that, I'm good to go. Is that okay? I'm good to go. Sorry. Let me get deleted. Alright, so I'm good to go there. So if I refresh here, I don't have that issue again, and this one is no longer there. Can you see that? Everything is clean now and good to go. So we are set to move now. So if we open our page, our website, it's just like this. So we don't need some things, we need some things. Are you getting me now? We need shop, we don't need all of this for now. So I'm going to create our pages. Is that clear? And then we see how we can bring in templates to populate the pages and set up everything in no time. Is that clear? So next is that I'll come over here and create some few pages, like 3 or 4. Do you understand? So number 1, I'm going to create a home page here. Are you getting me now? And I'm going to say what? Publish. Alright, publish. Alright, 2, I'm going to create another one, and I'm going to call this one about, and publish this as well. Number 3, I want to create a contact page. Alright, so here I'm going to create what? Contact page. Madam Dorcas,
Yes,
are you following us?
yes, sir.
Alright, I'm going to create a contact page. Going to create a contact and publish that. And finally, I want to create one more page and call it probably our services or blogs. Let's make it blogs, and do what? Publish it. So if you come to this place right now, you will see that we have this. If I come here, I have this, nothing here. If I come here, nothing there. If I come to my cards, this is my cards. So these are the pages that we just created: about, blogs, contacts, home. But for this hub, I only need this, and what, and this. Do you understand? So there is need for me to go and create that menu. Is that clear? So I'm going to go back to my appearance down here. Alright, and I'm going to go for what? Menu. So I'm going to create 2 menu here right now. Alright, so first one, I'm going to call it main menu. Is that okay? And then I want this to be my primary menu. Sometimes you may not see this as primary, you may see something as main menu. Do you understand? Just know that everywhere you want it to appear, it will do what? It will appear there. Are you getting me now? And you can go ahead and add, the ones that you want. I want to add this, 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 and I also want to have my what? The shop.
So I have to do before.
You said?
I have to home before.
Okay, oh, it's up there. So we have this. This home is not a page, it's a custom name. So this is the home that I need. Do you understand? Yeah. So that's the home I need. So I don't need this custom link here. I need this here. I need this here. I need this here. I need this up here. I need this up here. And I need this here. Are you getting that? So you have other products pages like maybe kitchen, this store 1, store 2, or bags, or all of those things. You can create the pages for them. Do you understand? So let me I'm going to upgrade this to that later. Do you understand? So let's go for this, and I'm going to do what? Save the what? Save menu. So having saved the menu, I will go ahead and create another one. So I want to create another menu. So I want to make this one to say footer pages. Alright, it's just a name. Do you understand? So I'm going to do what? Create this.
So you just clicking the
No, I can put it anywhere I like. Okay, so I want to pick this. You can see we have more than one here. I need this. I'm going to say select, and the moment I select that, I'm going to add those other ones to it. 1, 2, 3, and what, and think that's all. So if you have any other ones that you've created, you can always do what, add to it. Are you getting me now? For instance, I can create a custom link here and call it career. Do you understand? Or careers? Is it careers? So here, let me just put it to go nowhere. I can add to menu. So if I have a link to that page, I can put it in. Do you understand? I can put it in. So we have this, and then we can come to pages and add to what this wants to the place. So we have them here. Do you understand? So anyhow you want to arrange it, you are good to go. You can save the what. Just make sure you save menu. Alright, so now that we have done that, if I come back here to refresh, see what we have right now. Let's refresh. You can see we now have this. Are you getting me now? So next is that we need to go and set our store. We need to go and do what? Set our store. So I'm going to go back to my admin, site. I'm going to go for what? WooCommerce. In fact, if I come to the dashboard there, I will see a lot of things that I need to put in place. Can you see them? So I need to go and set this. So I'll go for settings. I want to set up my store now. So these are some of the things that I need to put in place concerning my store. You can see general product, shipping, payment, account privacy, email, integration, site visibility, advanced, and others. Are you getting me now? So we're going to be taking this one after the other. So we start with the general. So this has to do with general information, and the first one here is that where is your store located? All right, the address of your store. So I can say Main Road, Lagos. All right, and then the next is that, do you have any other one? Which city is what? Lagos. And then which country is still my what? Country here. So we can go for Nigeria, Lagos. All right, Nigeria, Lagos. Yeah. All right, you have zip code, you can put it here. All right, you can just put something there. And then the next thing here is that selling location. Set to all countries. Do you set to all countries of the world? If yes, you go with this. Are you getting me now? If no, if it's your own country, just specify the country. Okay, so here I can say just Nigeria. Are you getting me? But since it is an online store, and if you have the capacity for shipping, are you getting me now? You can go ahead and pick what? And pick all country, not except all country, all what? All countries. Are you getting me? So shipping location to what? To all countries. Default customer location. Do you have a default place where they are located? Shop, country, or region. Okay, so do you want to enable task calculation? If yes, you can take this. Enable the use of coupons code. Yes. Calculate coupons discounts sequentially if you want. So the next thing here is that which currency do you want to pay in? All right, so you may decide to say you want to be paid in what? In dollars. Are you getting me now? All right, so which side you want it to be? If it's $10, you want this dollar sign to be at the left hand side. Are you getting me now? So we can add this there, and then you can save changes. But I will say for now, so that we move up gradually. Let's go for our own country. Are you getting me now? So let's set to just our country. So for now, I'm going to say Nigeria. Is that clear? And then I'm going to say the shipping location is what? Is to the ship to specific country only, right? And that is, we are still in Nigeria, so or Nigeria, all right? And then you have another plan one, you can put Ghana, they can pay you direct without having issue. Are you getting me now? So next, where to? No location by default. So, and then enable tax calculation. If there is tax, you can put it there. So I'm going to enable this, and then we move on to what? Nigeria Naira. Nigeria Naira. So he's here, and then we are going to do what? Save the what? The changes. Good. So this is saved. Next, we move on to what is called products. Right? So when I get to product, I need to specify the type that I do, that I sell, and all of those things. So where do we want to find it? The shop page. Are you getting me? Direct to the cart page after successful addition. After you have added it, do you want it to go to the cart page, or you want a kind of addition in the cart button? Are you getting me? So I think I'm going to go for this, so that you won't be having issue every time you add something. You understand? So we have this, is in kilogram, is in kilograms, this dimension, and then you can go for that. Enable product review, show verified owner label. This review can only be left by verified owner if you like. Are you getting me? And we are good to go with this. And then place order of the image, we can leave it at that. So we are good to go with that. Next, you have to come to inventory. Now, inventory has to do with what? A kind of should I say, like a warehouse or a store where you put your things and you can count the number of take stock. Are you getting me now? And that's why you are saying here, enable stock what? Management. What happened? Can you see it there? You will break this seat, shift it out. Can you see now? Can you see the screen now? You can see. Let's put it in the direction of Mrs. Dorcas. All right. So we have this, which has to do with what? Inventory. Now, inventory has to do with, it's a store, but your own is where? Online. You can set up an online store that you'll be selling things, and the moment somebody you book in Lagos, they will send you that. Lagos is a fantastic place now. In 1 hour, they will bring the thing here. Do you understand? You don't use bus, use just bike rider. They are here. Alright. So they will bring it, you can send it and say your product will arrive in the next 3 hours to your location. So the guy will bring it in the next 1 hour, is there in less than 1 hour too. Are you getting me now? So, and you can put the location there. That's what is called drop shipping. We'll look into that later. Alright, so here we have stock management, old stock in minutes. Okay, we can see 50, that is old stock for unpaid order for how many minutes? For 1 hour. When this limit is reached, depending on that will be what? Cancelled. Do you understand? Leave blank to disable. So if you know that you want to, when you have time is when you want to process the order, or you want it to automatically do its things, go ahead. But for us that are always busy, we're going to leave it what? Blank. We don't want that. Notification, enable low stock notification, that is when people are buying. This one has to do with physical product this time around. When people are buying and to certain level, you want to show to them that we only have 2 in stock, we only have 10 in stock, 5 in stock, so you can only book for 10. Are you getting me? For product that you import, you can enable that. Are you getting me? So you can, let's leave it and see how it works in real time. So enable out of stock for product that you don't have again, you can enable this. Do you understand? So low stock threshold, when do you want it to show that it is low? So the moment your stock is 3, that product remain 3, it should show there that 3 in stock. Do you understand? Without that, it should not show. Out of stock threshold, 0. Out of stock feasibility, hide out stock item from the catalog. That is, all the products that are not available, hide them, don't show them at all. Are you getting me? But if you want them to be shown, okay, but they should be written out of what? Stock. Leave it like this. But if you want to kick them out totally, let's take it then. Okay, but for people that might be coming in for the first time, let us leave it so that they will see that it is out of stock. When next they have request for such a product, they can come in if we have them in place. Do you understand? So we leave it like that, and then we say stock display format, always show quantity remaining in stock. Okay, 2 in stock. All right, and we can see only show quantity remaining in stock when low. And I think this is what I would like. Are you getting me now? Only show when it is low. This one will show either it is low or it is not low. Anyone you like, you can always do what? Go for that. Do you understand? You can always go for it. Never show quantity remaining in stock. Which one do you like? Let's take this first and see how it works. Do you understand? So we save the what? The changes. Okay, next we have products that we call downloadable products. They are products like ebooks, WordPress plugin, themes, and all of those things. They pay you buy now, you make your payment, you get it into your email, you can download it. Do you understand? They are downloadable products, and we also call them digital products. Do you understand? So it's a file download method. First download, you want to redirect them to a place, or do you want to redirect only the insecure? Are you getting me now? So anyone you like, you can always go for it. But as for me, I'm going to go for download for now. Say if you are using XZ redirect download method along with this, make sure that you have applied settings to are you getting me where necessary. So do you understand? So you can see the details here. You have to go and read this so that you know how to apply that. All right, so allow using direct mode, insecure as low result, access restriction, download required login. Do you want only people that are logging that should be able to download? Are you getting me now? So we can do what? We can go download required you to log in, but this might send people back. Are you getting me? So just leave it like this. The moment they make their payment, give them access to go and download it. Do you understand? So these settings does not apply to guest purchase. All right, you can see guest purchase. So grant access to downloaded product afterwards payment. I think that is nice. All right, enable this option to grant access to download when orders are processed rather than completed. All right, so the moment the order is placed, you should be able to download it. That is, the payment is complete. Enable this option to grant access to download when order processing rather than complete. So I think it's going to be when it is complete. Are you getting me now? So you should be allowed to download. Don't use this option to grant access to download when others are processing. We don't want that. We want when it is what? Complete. Alright, so we have that, and then open downloadable file in the browser instead of saving them to what? To device. Alright, anyone you can, I think same when you pay me anywhere you like, you can go with it. Append the unique string to file side for security. You can always do that too. No require if your download directory is protected. For more details, file already uploaded to the place, you know. Can partial download. Can download if it's only of a file it's fetch. Repeat fetch made within a reasonable window of time, then with no count twice. I get it. So we can save this. So having saved that, next we have approved download directory. Approved download directory. So in this case, this is where the download files is going to reside. All right, so where do you want it to be? All right, so you can do what? You can pick it here. All right, so we have this, and if you look at the two of them, they are more or less the same. All right, but they are not the same at the same time. Do you understand? So here we have 5D, blah 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 blah. Are you getting me? Why here we have direct from here? So I think I am going to go with this. Do you understand? I'm going to go with this. I'm going to say enable rule. All right. I'm going to do what? Apply. Is that okay? I'm going to apply. So you can also edit it. URL could not be updated. Why? Why? Oh, sorry. I'm picking the two of them at the same time. It's not, it won't be updated. Okay, the two of them are enabled already. Anyway, I get it. And if you come over here right now, you will see this directory. Are you getting me? To content, upload this. You come over here. You come to store here. Come to content here. Can you see that? Come to this. Can you see that? Come to Ecommerce. Can you see that? So this is where all those files will be. Do you understand? This is where they will be. So no issue on that. So next we have advanced. So enable table usage, use product attribute lookup table for catalog filtering, and several other ones. These are majorly for backends. Are you getting me? And then there's something we call SKU. Right? We call it what's SKU now? Something key units. I will find out this later. SKU, you can search for it. You can search for it. Let me just put here. Chill. SKU. Yeah, stock keeping units. Yeah. So you can have your stock keeping units. If you want it, you can enable them. I'm getting me now, and then you're good to go. Next, we go for what? For you said? This is advanced. We go for shipping. So in this case, we are going to be sending product out. Are you getting me now? Meaning that the moment somebody pay, want to ship it, take it, we call it delivery. Are you getting me now? So we can create regions. Alright? Don't forget, this is Nigeria. Are you getting me now? So we can create zones. Island people price for shipping delivery cannot be the same as people at Agege. Agege people cannot be the same as people at Badagry. Badagry cannot be the same as people around the Ikorodu. Are you getting me now? So we can just create like two. Let's say mainland and then island. Do you understand? So here I'm going to create, say a shipping zone consists of the regions you would like to ship to and shipping method offered. A shopper can only be matched to one zone, and if we will use their shopping address to show them the method available in their what? In their zone. To offer local pickup, configure your pickup location in the what? In this place. Are you getting me now? Pickup location. Now, this is how it is. For people at island, I may not be able to say we may have office in island, in Ikorodu, in Ikeja, and then we want to say that the moment you order for your product and it arrives, go and pick it at Ikeja office. Do you understand me now? That is what is called pickup location. Do you understand me, Korede? I think you asked that question the other day. If you want to, you stay on the island, go to Lekki, go and pick, your things in our office there. Do you understand me now? But yes.
Are they still going to set like a payment for them, like a month now? They are still going to pay to like pick it up.
In that case, you are picking it up yourself. So delivery is not part of it. But in the case whereby we are bringing it to your place, are you getting me now? In that case, you are going to do what? You are going to pay. Do you understand that now? So that is what it is. That's what it is. So you can always do what? Go ahead and create zones. Okay? Your product has to do with zones. So here now, let me say island. Alright, island Lagos. Alright, and then it's asking us start typing to do what? To filter. So Africa, Nigeria, Lagos. Where is it? Lagos. Are you getting me now? So this is where we are right now. So we go with this. So limited space in your shipment code and all of those. Now add shipping method. So here we want it to be what? It can be free. Are you getting me now? It can be via, this is what I'm saying the other time, it can be free, meaning that you can take it to their place direct for free. You can give a price on this or a local pickup location. Do you want to come and pick it in our office? Or we bring it to your place? Are you getting me now? Or we give a flat rate. So I am going to go for flat rate, meaning that. All right.
Can we set like the three this thing to
You can, if it's available for the location, you can set it up for them. Do you understand me now? Is it that if you are coming if you pick flat rate, meaning that you will bring it to my place, I will give you money. You pick up location at the point of checking out, you will see all those things there. Do you understand me now? If you now pick up location, meaning that you go there and pick it up by yourself. Exactly. Are you getting me now? So in this case, I can say continue. So it's now asking that, is it taxable? I will say no. And then what is the cost? The cost is 5,000 naira. Are you getting me now? So add shipping class course. So we have for this, and then I'm going to create and save that. Is this clear? Also, I can still go ahead and create another one. Are you getting me now? Free shipping. This one is free, no issue. All right, and then there is nobody that will go for if it's not free. I get, but what are the requirements? Probably I need to get a coupon code, or you need to buy minimum of so amount. Do you understand? So I think I'll go for minimum order amount, and then I'm going to say 500,000 naira. So we go. How you feel like? So apply minimum order rule before coupons discount. Yes. So we create this. You can see that. Next, we pick up location. So we continue. All right. So you can see this is going to say taxable, or you want to apply tax, no issue. This one too, we don't want. They will go and pick it up from there. So go for this. So we have this. Are you getting me now? So these are the three shipping, methods that we have. For where? For island. Are you getting me now? And that is a zone. That is a zone. So we have this, and then you can move it around anyhow you like. Do you understand me now? So you can always do that, and then you can save the changes. Okay. So
What about if you want to have more than one zone?
you can still go ahead and create. Do you understand me now? You can still go ahead and do what? And create. So you can see we are here now. Another thing is that you can decide to say, okay, there are products that are heavy, there are some that are light, there are some that are fragile. You can see that setting up e-commerce is not a small distance. You have to set price for them. For instance, if you want to send something to, let me say, to Anambra now, and you go to Yanpaja there to send it, maybe through what is their name, say God is good. They will collect it. They will ask you what is the value of the product. I get it now. You will tell them. They will ask you, is it fragile? Yes, it is. By the time they give you the price, you will see that it will be more than somebody that is not fragile and is not, that expensive. So if the value of your product that you are sending is 600,000, the price for shipping will be what? Higher. And if it's fragile, it will be more higher. So you can set what is called classes. Are you getting me now? So that's for that on zone. And then if you want to create one more zone now. So let's create one more. So we have one created. So I'm going to create one more, and this one is going to be for mainland. Do you understand? So I'm going to say mainland Lagos. All right, main. Is this my main correct? Main. I'm speaking. I'm trying to type in Spanish. Mainland Lagos. All right, so we have this, and then he's going to ask us that where is in Nigeria, Africa. I've not left Africa, still Nigeria. I also go leave Nigeria. So we are here in Lagos. All right, so we are here. We go for this, and then the next thing is that the same thing we did over there. We need to add those what methods. You need to add it. So we have this. We say free shipping for people on the. We give it to them. are not crossing Third Milan Bridge. So we save this. Alright, we save this. So we give it to them for free, or they will like to pick it up in our location. Alright, so we have this, no tax, nothing added, so anyone they like you can pick. Alright, and then we are good to go here. So we're good to go. So you can see now that we have 3 to the word. It's optional anyway. We have this, and then by the time we get to the shop out part, you will see this better. Now let's set our local pickup, here. All right, so here we want to set our local pickup. It's still loading. That's better to have more than this. Alright. So for our pickup, this is for this here. I think something is wrong. It's supposed to have this here. Sorry, I think I'm missing something else. This pickup stuff is supposed to be somewhere here.
So let's go back to shipping zones.
Yeah, right. Alright, yeah. This is where we're supposed to have it. Okay, let's move on. I think we should be able to get it.
Also, is it because we have already set the local pickup for them already?
I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Let's continue. I'll find out that. Sometimes team can get the thing confusing. Do you understand? So I'll get that out. Alright, I'll get this out. So let's move on. So, and for the GP settings, I think I've done this. Okay, for calculation, enable shipping calculator, you have set this. Dealing for customer address and all of those. And then for classes, this is where those fragile, heavy, and all of those things comes in. Are you getting me now? So you can create. So here you can say add. You can see now they have heavy, for instance, fragile, and all of those things. So here I can say fragile. You can say fragile. And here products that are fragile. Products that are what? Fragile. Are we together? And then I can create this. Okay, so we have this here, and then next I can create another one. I'll call it heavy, right? Heavy. So this thing might be based on how heavy something is. Heavy load, heavy products, heavy what? Products. Alright, so we can create. Alright, so we have this set. Alright, so by the time we get to the other side, we get this more later, and then the whole essence of this is for us to be able to track and do so many other things. Are you getting me now? Alright, so next we have what we call payments. So this angle has to do with getting smiling at your bank a lot. All right, so you have to check set or your payments, stores here. So we want to enable cash on delivery, and then check
Sorry, can we go back? Okay.
cash on delivery, check payments, take payment in person via check, but for us we're going to be making use, like I told you the other time, you can make use of what? A payment gateway. Are you getting me now? You can make use of payment gateway. So here I can say go to plugins, all right, and then add new plugin, and go for, let me say, Paystack or Flutterwave, anyone. Paystack. This thing that did not go today, I don't know why. So let's go for this one by this. So let's install this.
So the Nigerian too have done.
Let's install this.
People even install that.
So when you install this, you can activate it. You can also go for Stripe, install, activate it. You have all the necessary stuff.
So what is the function of Stripe?
Okay, it's a payment gateway as well. Alright, that will enable you to add payment to your things. Start with this one.
Huh?
Alright, so we can good afternoon. So we can go ahead and still install another one. I'll call it what is it called? You can say PayPal. PayPal too. Alright, so this is PayPal here. So you can see PayPal later is in the process solution. Accept PayPal pay later. Credits and debit card through your credit and debit card, and all of the wallets, bank accounts, and all of those things. You can enable that. So as soon as all these things are in, you will see that by the time we come over here and we refresh here, you see that they will be what? They will come up here. Do you understand? So let's wait for it to come up. It's getting refreshed. Alright, so you can see Paystack is here, and what? PayPal is also what? Is also here. Do you understand? So these two, we are enabling the three of them. So meaning that our client can pay via any of them. Do you understand? So it's still coming up. Alright, so we have this. Alright, so sometimes when you want to pay, you will see all these cards. I don't know if you have noticed that before. So they are majorly, coming from here. I get it now. So you can go for any one of them. You can go for these, you can configure it, do the settings and all of those things. You understand? So you say please enter your what? PayPal merchants details here.
What
So
if we don't? It will not.
said yes, it won't work. But I'm going to do something right now. Let me just come over here. I'll go for pay start testing. Testing card. Testing card. Testing payments. Alright, so I'm going to go for this. I hope it's not really getting too late. But I'm Lucas. It's past 6 oh. So what time will be okay for you? Madam Lucas, you are a man now. They can't, if they hit you, you will hit them back. 6:30, okay. Let's move on. So I'm going to use some of this, and I'm going to also say go for pay stack merchants PayPal testing merchants mode number.
So I want to ask another question.
All right.
Like now, if you like want to give like your customer like money,
Yes.
will it be through that pay start that you pay them?
Give your customer money. You will do transfer to their accounts.
Like
They want to pay you for what they are buying. That's why we are doing all of this.
Okay.
Do you understand me now?
Like refund or something like
It's not a refund. If I want to buy something, if you go to Jumia now, you will open the product and add and pay.
No, I'm just saying that if they want to like refund or something.
If they will send you their account, you will make bank transfer to them. Are you getting me now? Don't rest on that laptop. You will make transfer to them. Do you understand me now? It's not they are not coming here to come and start. You don't do that one here. They are to buy, and in case there are issues, they can come up to you. Do you understand? So that's how it works. Books. Let me just put it on test mode here. Alright, and then let's go for select one. Let's go for pop-up. Alright, now the testing key, testing secret key. So let's go and search if we can get one. I think it will be fine. Pay stack testing pay stack testing secret key. Can we have one? Can we have one? Can we have one? Can we have one? Testing secret key. Why am I not having access to my accounts? It's free. I have it there. How to? Secret key. can't. I can't log in. It's giving me issue. I don't know what is their problem is. It don't allow me. Go. No way. I'm not logging to your account. Invalid. And what was these people's problem now? I want you to see how it works, and that's the whole essence of this, why I'm doing all of this. If you come here right now, this is how it works here. I have a course here that I have that thing on.
Yeah, that's no sense.
So come here now. You come here now. You can say what, buy what, course now. You can see you can make payments here. Are you seeing this? You pay for this course, I will receive the money here now. You pay now.
So is it that you created the form or it
came from the gateway, but I customized it. You can see. Sure, you understand? This is how it's going to come. So but let's move on, because we have a lot to cover. I know we can't reach much today, but we'll continue from there. You understand? So let's come here. So we have that. Then you pay anyone you are going for, you customize it. Do you understand? So here now, if I refresh here, let me come back. So we are here, right? So we need to do this before we can begin to do,
maybe you can disable this tab and use direct.
So we have a lot here now coming in as a result of the paper that we installed. Yes, various people use paper. So but for us, let's just install this one only. We have local contracts, different countries of the world. But in our own case, Nigerian, we don't use paper except we want to withdraw. Do you understand? So you have to put your API here to activate it. Are you getting me?
Sir,
So yes,
what do you mean of API?
it's called an application programming interface. Alright, so it's a key that is going to be meant for only you to use.
Okay.
So you can activate it. So this is how it will come up to. So it want to log me in to paper. So I have paper that can give up, but right now I don't. It's shut down. I don't use it. So we are there. Next we have accounts and privacy. So enable guest checkout, enable login during checkout, and all of those things. I'm going to enable just buy your things and get away. If you like to create account with us, you are good to go. If not, bye bye. So email, but if you compulsory that is a product that they can't do without. Are you getting me? There are product like, for instance, health product, related product. Because the person is sick, he will want to do everything possible to buy it. But somebody that is still even looking at the 5,000 naira, should I pay for the cost? Should I not pay? And now say the person should not be, and it's now you just bring it to one side.
It's not serious.
Do you understand me now? So there are products, we need to look at the nature of the product you are selling, and then here check if new order, who will want to receive email for new order. This is it. Cancelled order, failed order, or order on hold, customer, processing, and all of those things. So anyone you want, you can change it, you can manage it. Are you getting me now? So anyone you like, integrations. You have anything you want to integrate to your WooCommerce, you can bring them in. License key, database, where you want it to be fetching from and all. This one is coming from our store right now.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? So advanced. So make sure cart ID is equal to this, checkouts, accounts, order, pay, blah 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 blah. Make sure address, so that everything will work perfectly well. So the moment we are good to go on that, you get this, you can go and set it up later, and then this one too, you can activate it later. And the moment we have done that, we are good to go. So next thing we're going to be doing right now, and if I come over here right now and I refresh here, okay, you see what we have. So next is that we need to begin to create our products. Is that clear? We need to do what? Create our product. So we have seen this, all of these things, how it will work. So we come over here and say products. So all products is going to display here right now. So you can see we don't have any products here. So I can create what? Products. So permit me to go and steal products somewhere. Jumia. Or I want to borrow. I'll give them back later. So let's say we want to go for these phones, and then let's say we go for this. So we want to save this. And we want to also save this, and we want to also save this. So we may not create more than one product or two for now, please, so that we can go and, but I want you to have something to practice with this weekend. So we want to, this is the name of the products. Alright, so we're going to get this out of here and put it here. Is that okay? So next is that we have what we call short description and long description. Here is our short description, here is our long description. Now when you come here, this is a short description. Do you understand? While what we have done here is what? Long description. Do you understand me now? So we need to get the short one. So I can copy this and come here now and put my words. Oh sorry, my long description here. I can come over here and put all this. Is it Redmi or what? Or is it Redmi or what? Redmi. Yeah, I don't use phone. So let's come here and put our what? Long one here. So next we have here different types of products. We have simple products, we have group products, we have affiliated products, we have variable products. Now what's the difference between them? Simple product is just one. When it comes to group product, it means that we are having, or let's create one for them so that we understand it better. So we go for simple product. Is it virtual or a downloadable product? It's not. Are you getting me now? So what's the price? The price for the phone is what? So let's see. It was 365,000.
235 naira.
Alright, it's cheap. So we can come here. So we can come over here and place this here. Sorry. Come over here and place this here. this is the current price. Let's assume that the regular price is what is 500,000 naira. While the sales we are selling now, we are selling it for just 300,000 naira or 300 and something, blah 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 blah. Are you getting me now? So we have that there. Do you understand? And then we have to set other things. Can you see here? Inventory. Next is the SKU. What is the store keeping units? We want to just how you can describe it. So I will just say as is Redmi, right? Redmi. Or you can say you can just give it number. It's just a unique number for the store. So I can say Redmi 200. Do you understand? So next here we want to have the number, all those IBN scanning barcodes. Are you getting me? Scanners, stuff. You can put it here so that people can do that, but we don't have that. Stock management, track stock quality. You want to do that. Quantity, how many do you have? Let's say we have 400. All right. Allow back order. Do not allow this back order. Allow it to be file customer. Let's see what is there. Low stock threshold, we have set it to what? To 3 the other time. Sold individually, limit purchase to 1. Now for downloadable products, we can limit purchase to what? 1. You can't buy 2, it's just 1. It's just 1. So it won't be that when you want to pay, you are adding 2, 3. It's 1. Do you understand me now? For physical product like phone, you can buy 2, 3, 4. So in that case, we are not limiting. But when we create a downloadable product like ebook now, it's 1. So you can't say you download twice, you will pay 2. Do you understand me now? So it's just 1. So we have that, and our short description, you can come over here and pick this.
So out of the price and the other thing.
We have set the price just now.
Okay.
I hope you are here. Yes, the
I
price
was thinking
is
that
here.
all those ones that was at that side was part of the short stuff.
No. So we have this. Yes, we had it. Okay, that's what you're saying. So featured image here, media. We can come over here and pick all of this up. Pick all of this up here. Let's pick this. So we have this here. Which one is this? I'm confused. So we have that. Add gallery. Add gallery. You can add this. For this one, I'm going to replace with this. Set that. Right. And then what category of products? Phone. Right. Let's say phone. So we had that. Our phones. All right. We have that, and then tag. Alright, and then you want to customize any other thing. If yes, go ahead. If no, so by the time your product is coming up, this is what you're going to have. So we need a meta description, and this is what it is. Do you understand? So we're going to come over here and just pick something very simple thing here. So let me, I want something that's actually speak. All right. So I'm going to put this here, which is too long. What happened? Read me. Alright, so now this is one of the SEO things. It shows how your things will look. Are you getting me now? This is Best Choice Online Store. When you drop that link, it's going to look like this. I hope you have seen this online before. So it will look like that, and you see this line here. It shows that it's not, the title is not well titled. It's not well placed. It's not aligning very well. The SEO is not okay. That's what it means. Meaning that when we get to the SEO part, I will tell you more about this. So you need to change it, configure it to make sure that one of the issues here is that most of what we have in the title here, they are not here. Do you understand me now? Except Readme Note 13 Pro, every other things, they are not there. Do you understand? So we need to find a way to rewrite so that it conforms and everything. And another thing is that the first lines must speak. The moment the first line is passed, every other thing about the SEO will do what will pass, so that the product will rank on Google. Is that okay? So we have that, and then I think we are done with this. Shipping. Do you want to set shipping for it? Weight. What's the weight of the product? You have the weight, let's say 3 kg. Alright. Okay, 2 kg. The length and the height, you have it. Shipping class is fragile. Can you see now? Alright, so the moment you are done with that, is downloadable product. You can put a product link here and all of those things. And then we have what we call attribute. Attribute has to do with the attribute for this phone. Do you understand? If this phone is such that you have black color, blue color, green color, white color, I don't know if you have encountered that before. Me, I've encountered it before. Then when I used to buy phone, this Techno that I have cough, this thing, I went to buy and they say it's white. I say I don't want white, it's black I want. So I ended up buying that white. When I saw the price of others, I couldn't afford it. Do you understand? So you can create attributes. So there are t-shirts that you have white, you have blue, you have red. Do you understand? Some white is more expensive than blue. Some white is more expensive than yellow. Do you understand me now? That's all about this attribute. So you can create it, you can add it.
When you said the attribute, is it that to apply like different color to that product?
You should have the product already, if it's black or white. Now I want to do something. Now I'm going to add it for the purpose of seeing how it works. Do you understand? So I'm going to add it. So I'm going to say new, add new. So here, size, color, and all of those things. So I'm going to pick go for what? Color. Do you understand me now? So it said enter some value text used. Use this to separate different values. Alright. So here I'm going to just say blue, right? Blue, right? And then this, and then black, right? Do we have blue phone? Is there blue phone?
Yes.
Alright, so let's leave it like that. And then let me go for another one, which is what? Gray. Gray. Is this clear? So visible on the product page, yes, we want it there. Do you understand? New attribute. Do we want to set another one? If no, leave it. Let's leave it like that. So color attribute, this is it. And that's all we need. I'm looking for where to save the changes that I just made now. I know. Around here. Okay, don't worry. Let's just add another one. right? Okay, we have added this. We see all of this over there, so I'm okay with this. So let's, I think we have done a lot here. Let's check out. Okay, you have any notes for your purchase? Thanks for your patronage, for your patronage. My patronage is not correct. Patronage. We are happy when you see money. All right, so don't mind me. Menu, done, right? So get more options. You can go for that too and see if there are other things you can learn. Are you getting me now? So you can see all of them. They are all there. Are you getting me? And then next, I can do what? I can go ahead and do what?
Publish.
And publish. And publish this. Publish this. So the moment I publish this, I will see that I now have in my products one product there. So I now have here a product here. Korede, bawa tono, that you can see.
Okay. So,
Can you see now? Can you see now? So if I view this product now, let's go and view it and see how it looks. I don't know if you are getting this. Can you see that? Can you see this? Can you see all of this? And then for the description side parts that we added the other time, I expect it to be up here, somewhere around here, especially here. So I expect it to be somewhere here. Sales. We'll check that later. Can be back order. So it's not there. I expect it to have it there. You can see this is how it looks here in our shop. So any other product now will come up here. We'll still style them out. Do you understand me now? Will come up here. If I should go ahead and let me just do something here. Let me just duplicate these products. So sorry for your time. So we have this here. So I can come over here, and I am still not comfortable with this thing. So let me quickly check that. Because attributes. Can you see? It was not added.
Yeah, it was added.
Where is it?
Color.
Where is it? It was added. Visible on product page. Then why is it not showing? Hold on, let me do something. Source. Match. Very funny. So let me just change this name to 2 so that So let's publish this, right? So to have that attribute, honestly. So let me refresh here. It's taking too long like this. So if I have to cut now, alright, so we have this. I had to cut here. So there is need for us to go and bring up our cart stuffs here. So, and another thing that we need to set up is that this thing is not coming up. I don't know if you see this.
Our size and
no, our view cards is not coming up. You understand? Okay, so this is it here. So we can come over here, right, and add this to it. So we can view the cards here. So we have this added. So this twice, this twice. We can bring this down, update the cards. So we have this now. Alright, so you can go ahead and see, calculate shipping, pick the words where you are shipping to, Lagos, town, mainland, and updates. So you can see now you can pick your what shipping. Is it local, pickup, or flats, so that the 5,000 will be added here. You can see it's added. Do you understand? So you can see all of these are coming up at this very point, the shipping part. And then you can do what? You can see to where, shipping to where? Mainland, Lagos. That's what you supply. So continue, and then you can see here, this is all we have. You can put your name there, John K. It's optional. 8 Main Road, Main Road, Lagos. Town, mainland, we have specified that. Lagos, we have specified that over there. So put your phone number here. Alright, your email address. Ship to a different address if you want it to go to another place, like drop shipping stops. Put the address here, the name of the person to deliver it to, the streets, the apartment, and everything. So you are just like a middleman. Order it, take it to them. Don't bring it to me, and I pay them, I collect my own share. That's what drop shipping is all about. Do you understand? But this time around, if I want to do that, I will do that here. And then note about your order. You have to put it, it's from me, That's what they will put on it. Alright, so you're not shipping to different address. And when you having filled this, when you come to this place, you want to say, now you need to pick how you want to be, is it cash on delivery? Is it pay with cash on what? Delivery. This is the only one that is available, the payment option. If we had been able to configure this, are you getting me now? We will have that at the point of, where is it? Where is it? All right, we will have that option here, like pay with things that pay with Flutterwave, pay with this or pay with that. Do you understand? So your personal data will be used to process your order, support your experience throughout the website, and for other purposes described in our policy. Please order. Sorry. I will do for now. We really try. Why is this taking this long? So, thank you. Your order has been what? Received. This is the order number. This is the date. This is the email address. This is your amount. Catch on what? Delivery. And then we have all these details about the product. Billing address is this. The name of the person. Shipping address where we are taking it to is this. And all is well. So, if I come to the back end of my website, that's the client side. The client feel the thing, buy the thing, and have that. Mean that I'm here. I'm going to see that somebody already paid for my what? For the products, or place order for the product. So if I come to this place called WooCommerce here, I will see that there is one order there. Alright, if not, because we are not using a secure source, I would have received email as well. Are you getting me now? I would have received email here that somebody just what placed an order now. Do you understand me now? So, but because I am not using a secure source, we don't have that there. Do you understand? So we can come over here and see who actually did what? Place order. Are you getting me now? And you can see everything here. So the order is what? Is processing. I will need to approve it. So we are taking it to the place. The moment we deliver it, I will come here and select the order here and say what? Completed. Change to what? Completed. So the moment we do this, we will do what? We apply what? The changes, and then it will send message to the person that thank you very much for patronizing us completed. And then in a few moments now